the Mexican candy shot. First things first, rim a large shot glass with lime juice and tajin. In a shaking tin, add 1.5 ounces of vodka or tequila, 3/4 of an ounce of watermelon schnapps, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet and sour, and 1 or 2 dashes of hot sauce. Add ice and shake. Then strain into the glass. Cheers!